Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel, Moxie DIY in Java. I'm Michelle. Today's video is part of the Minis Challenge, only it's Valentine's style. So grab your cup of coffee or your favorite beverage and join me. For this DIY, we're going to be removing the little hearts from these really cute picks that I found at the Dollar Tree. Now I'm showing you the hard way to do this right now. I'm going to show you a much easier way in just a few seconds. So the easiest way to do this is to grasp the pick with your pliers or your fingers and then just twist the hearts, and they come off super easy. Now it's just a matter of finding our topper and then filling the jar. I found that the easiest way to fill the jar is to put the hearts in one at a time, shake it around a little bit so that way they don't stack right on top of each other. This way you can see all the colors and also they aren't stacked like paper. I've discovered that when I'm tracing something, it's easier for me to do it upside down. Is that the same with you? This video is part of the Minis Challenge, which is one of my favorites that I do pretty much monthly, and it is all about Valentine's Day. So be sure to check out the playlist. It's going to be full of lots of love-themed items and Valentine's Day inspiration, and it's hosted by Corey of Crafted by Corey. Be sure to check out the playlist and her channel. I will have everything listed below. I found these beautiful wall decals at Dollar Tree, and I loved how there were lots of different patterns, and I figured this would look really pretty if they were all individual hearts. So I was originally going to trace this heart template on the back. You can see where all of the patterns end and begin, so it's actually pretty easy to see, but I remembered that I have a silhouette, so I ended up just putting it through my silhouette. So here they are all cut out. I did a double pass just to make sure that it cut through, and I cut it on cardstock, I think. So here I'm just going to use some baker's twine in pink and white and then gray and white, and we're going to make them into hanging pieces. Because they are adhesive, I'm just smashing the end of the twine between two of the hearts. And then I'm going to be cutting the twine at different levels throughout this craft. I truly hope that you are enjoying the video today, and if you are one of my subscribers and are coming back, hello, I'm so thankful that you're here, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope that you will consider subscribing. My channel typically has DIYs that are easy on the budget but beautiful to the eye. So if that's something that you'd like, I hope that you'll consider subscribing. Now that they're all together, I'm just going to make a simple knot. I found both these flowers in my stash and I liked them equally, so I decided to combine them. I just glued the smaller one in the middle of the bigger one and called it good. I'd love for you to comment down below and let me know which one of these is your favorite. I think the tin hearts is my favorite, but honestly, I like all of them and can't wait to display them. I so appreciate that you spent your time with me today, and I hope that you enjoyed it like I did, and until I see you in the next video, take care.